Look, my brother's gonna lock me to the stairs. It's gonna be so fun. Or should I lock you to the stairs? Na 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 na. Do we?
Dude, stop!
Okay, what?
Just get yourself up to the stairs.
Okay.
All right, so I was gonna have to try to break free. Oh,
Look me double to me. Look me double.
Yeah, guys, he's over a big drop. And
Hello.
it'd be pretty if you can't make it. All right, he's hooked to the stairs.
No, put me on the other one. Put me.
You cannot make it.
Jordan, this one's easy. I can make it. I'll show you. And then
Says the person is stuck.
the first one we start with not extreme. The next one we go to extreme with the hard FBI ones. You turn off the lights,
Oh,
right?
the graphics quality is horrible.
You have to let me. You have to do it. You're the police, I guess. But I'm an FBI agent. You do it. I'm not doing it. Jordan, I'm literally. I haven't even put it around my
Why is the
arm.
graphics quality so horrible?
Put it down here put it down here so I'll show him how to escape. Give it to me. I'll tell. Okay, so here's lesson 1 to escaping if you get blocked to me like my brother did. So all you have to do first is unlock this.
Don't care.
All you have